Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Draupadi Murmu led the nation in celebrating India's 76th Republic Day. On Sunday morning, before the unfurling of the national flag by President Murmu and the parade at Kartavya Path, PM Modi laid a wreath at the War Memorial to pay tributes to soldiers who have laid down their lives defending the nation. President Murmu unfurled the national flag at the Kartavya Path, which marked the start of the parade of contingents from the armed forces, the paramilitary forces, NCC cadets, and tableaus from different states. The march past was heralded by a group of 300 cultural artists dressed in colorful attire, marching to the tune of Sare Jahan Se Achha. The artists were playing musical instruments from different parts of the country. Mi-17 1V helicopters from 129 helicopter unit flying in the Dhwaj formation showered petals followed by the parade. General Officer Commanding Delhi Area, Lieutenant General Bhavnesh Kumar led the parade. Winners of the highest gallantry awards, including the Paramveer Chakra and the Ashok Chakra, followed the parade commander. The 1st Army contingent leading the parade was the Mounted Column 61 Cavalry, led by Lieutenant Ahan Kumar. Raised in 1953, 61 Cavalry is the only serving active horse cavalry regiment in the world. It was followed by 9 mechanized columns and 9 marching contingents. The Army's marching contingents included the Brigade of the Guards, the Jat Regiment, the Garhwal Rifles, the Maha Regiment, the Jammu and Kashmir Rifles Regiment, and the Corps of Signals. The Indian Navy's contingent consisted of 144 personnel, led by Lieutenant Commander Sahil Ahluwalia as the contingent commander. It was followed by the naval tableau, depicting a strong Atmanirbhar or self-reliant navy capable of protecting India's maritime interests. The tableau showcased the newly commissioned indigenous frontline state-of-the-art combatants, including destroyer INS Surat, frigate INS Nilgiri, and the submarine INS Vakshir. The Indian Air Force contingent comprised 4 officers and 144 personnel, led by squadron leader Mahendra Singh Garati. In a tri-services tableau depicting the broader spirit of jointness among the armed forces rolled down Kartavya Path. It displayed a battlefield scenario demonstrating a synchronized operation in land, water and air with the indigenous Arjun battle tank, Tejas fighter aircraft and advanced light helicopter. The theme of the tri-services tableau was Sashakt or Surakshit Bharat, or Strong and Secure India. Also in a first for the Republic Day parade, a marching contingent and a band from Indonesia participated in the event. Another highlight of the parade was the Veterans Tableau on the theme Vikasit Bharat Ki Or Sadaiv Agrasar, a heartfelt tribute to the unwavering spirit of the ex-servicemen towards the nation. Several veterans who brought glory to India in sports also participated in the parade. Several union ministers, the country's top military brass, foreign diplomats and senior officials were among the spectators on both sides of Kartavya Path during the march past. Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto was the chief guest at this year's Republic Day parade, joining a select group of global leaders to have graced the nation's biggest ceremonial event in the last 7 decades.